Today is April 12th, 2025, and we're going to do an update on the Frackville grade, the Route 61, Pennsylvania Route 61 upgrades to the Frackville grade between St. Clair and Frackville. I haven't done one of these in a couple of months, so we'll see what it's looking like. Last time I came up through this way, I noticed some work being done on the other side of the creek, which probably will not come out on the film, but I'll let you know as we go through. The Darkwater intersection. We're widening this area here because there'll be a traffic light put in here with a left turn lane. They are doing some construction over on the other side of the creek, probably for sewage issues. And on the left side here you see the mountains coming down slowly but surely. Looks like they're doing grading on it. Back down, you'll be able to see it more. Now we get stuck behind a truck. Oh, he's being nice and pulling over for us. Not for me. Sorry people, now you're just going to see a truck in front of you. Yeah, he messed up my video. I purposely waited to pull out at Walmart so I wouldn't be behind them. Up on the left side you can see they're putting a lot of rock in. It will help support the southbound lanes. Finished. Might be able to see on the video some leaves coming out on the trees for the beginning of spring, but I have a feeling when we get to the top up in Frackville you won't see so many leaves because of the elevation. also some rain up here. Mostly just the evergreen trees up here. There's no, the lower trees still don't have any leaves on them, as I suspected. Alright, now we'll come back down and see what the southbound lanes look like. Right-hand side, a lot of work done on this hill. Pushed it back to move the lanes over. Dead Man's Curve, which will be eliminated after the construction. But they really haven't started anything up on this end yet. And to the right is the entrance to Pine Run, where Pottsville gets their water. Not quite sure what they're doing on that spot. Just noticed it looks like they removed all the telephone poles. That's out of the way. Pennsylvania Railroad S-curve. Most of the mountain past the big yellow arrow down here has been removed. I think as much as they want to remove. Yeah, we'll just be cutting down through that way instead of making this sharp turn when it's finished. So they're making a lot of progress, more than I thought they would be doing in just 1 year. It's been about a year now since they started this. I believe it's a 5-year project, so we'll see as it goes along. We come upon the Darkwater intersection again. There'll be a traffic light here when it's finished. We're going to take a ride to the cow stalls. Might be able to see in front of us the red bridge, the Mount Carbon Arch, just finished and up. And it's being used by pedestrians now. Sat for almost 100 years in Mount Carbon, not being used at all. And here we come to the end of our video. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll update again in a couple of weeks.